So Elon Musk has bought Twitter. Is it a good idea or a bad idea? Let me know your thoughts below in the comments while I dig deeper and explore further what the world thinks of Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter. One of the hottest news items online over the last few weeks has been all about Elon Musk wanting to buy Twitter. And I've just created a poll on my Twitter profile. So go to the poll and vote. Is it a good idea or a bad idea? Not sure, or you don't even care. And I'm not sure what the answer is, whether it is a good idea or a bad idea, but everywhere online, lots of people have their opinions of it. Here on LinkedIn, there's been lots and lots of posts over the last few weeks. And I think probably the most popular place for people to have their say on whether it's a good idea or a bad idea has been here on Twitter. And it's been a few weeks since the announcement was made, but in the last 24 hours, there's been an update to that in regard to the potential purchase of Twitter by Elon Musk might be now put on hold. And it was only a few hours ago that all of the news reports started to come out to say that Elon Musk is putting his bid to acquire Twitter on hold, weeks after agreeing to take the company private in a $44 billion deal. And they're talking about here, Twitter deal temporarily on hold pending details supporting calculation that spam and fake accounts do indeed represent less than 5%. Now, I'm not quite sure why that issue is potentially putting the takeover bid on hold. But anyway, at the moment, it's on hold. But this video is just all about to get people's feedback, whether they think it's a good idea or a bad idea. And what better place to get people's feedback and hear what they have to say than here on Twitter. And lots of people have lots to say about it as I continually just scroll through here on the search term Elon Musk buying Twitter. It is a never-ending, catalogue of people's comments and thoughts, and very much, people seem to be divided, I think, on the topic. That's why I want you to go to my poll here on Twitter and let me know your thoughts. I only put this up a few minutes ago. Equally, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, go to the comment section below and let me know your thoughts as well. As for me, I'm not quite sure whether it is a good decision or a good idea or a bad idea. I must say over the last year or two, I've been loving Twitter more and more as we see some more of these headlines. Why Elon Musk might not actually be able to buy Twitter. Elon Musk buys Twitter. All the news you need to know. Will Elon Musk regret buying Twitter? Elon Musk to buy Twitter in $44 billion deal. So I'm not quite sure. That's why I'm doing this short, sharp video. I want to hear everyone else's feedback because for me personally, Twitter has become one of my, most common ways that I'm posting and sharing information to my followers, and equally just staying up to date with what is happening around the world. I find myself more and more on Twitter 3, 4, 5 times during the day, staying up to date with all of the information and news that is breaking. So let me know your thoughts. If you're watching it on my YouTube channel, leave a comment and say hello and let me know your thoughts, or vote on my poll here that I've posted on Twitter, as we all just sit back and let it play out and find out whether Elon Musk will actually succeed in his takeover of Twitter.